Okay, just to draw the third one, which is the wheel. So I'm just trying to get the solid edge back up. Done. Okay, just to draw the third part or the component, which is the wheel. It's got a spherical radius, which just makes life a little bit fun. It's 26 mil wide and it's got a diameter 60, like about the size of a tennis ball essentially. So let's just draw it in down anywhere at the moment. Later on I'll just drag it in. So it's a spherical, diameter 60, radius 30. Done. So this here is looking at it from on the front. I know there's the centre line. Done. I know that I'm 13 mil off that side and I'm 13 mil off that side. Done. So there is essentially the front view of the wheel. Oops, Control Z. I've still got to go back and dimension the last one. I'll put this up as a series of 5 videos or thereabouts. Okay, so there is the centre line of the there is the front view of the wheel. Now let's draw it looking at it from on the side. We know that that's there. I'm just pitching across the layout lines at the moment. I know that that's there. That's the inside corner of the wheel. That's the inside corner of the wheel. That's down there. And we need the centre mark. Let me just draw in another line here. That's exactly 60 and there is the centre mark. Now, so I know I've got multiple, plant that well, I've got multiple circles now. That is really the outside radius of the wheel. That's at the tip where it's rolling on the ground. This one here is the edge of the wheel. Now we'll offset and it says the lip is 5 mil in. There it is, drawn 5 mil in. That centre hole, let me just mark in a centre line. Centre hole is diameter 8.5. It's just irritating me. I'll just delete that. Now I've got the centre line. Or centre mark. Okay. That centre radius is 8.5 mil. I've definitely got circle centres ticked. There it goes. So it's 8.5 mil diameter. And we also need another one, 18 mil diameter. Done. Radius, not diameter. Try and go again, 18 mil diameter. I think I drew that last one, 18 mil radius. 18, bang, that looks better, bang. So there's our front view of the wheel. Front, or whatever, side view, front view, call it what you will. I've drawn at third angle. Depends which way you're looking at it. So there's our wheel. Delete, delete, delete. I don't really think we need to draw the spacing washers, nor do we need to draw that pin. I suppose just because the drawings asked us to, we can. We've got to go through and we've got to label that and dimension them. We've also got to label this. So actually we'll just draw in that pin. Very difficult. Offset tool, 4mm and 42mm. 4mm, 42mm. Offset tool, 4mm both ways. And the radius of that is diameter 18, so that's 9 either side. Done. All those dimensions, I'll just delete. And come back to it later, delete. So now we'll just take out the removal tool and just take out what we don't want. Extend that to the next, extend that through to there, delete that, and delete that. Okay. And of course we've got 2 circles to draw. It's just been 4mm. It's been a little bit difficult to go. Let's see if it actually picks it up. There it is, diameter 18, done. So there's the pin, and a spacing washer is 1mm thick, diameter 8 internal, blah blah blah. So spacing washer. I'll just put in diameter 8 and diameter 18. Did it again, 18. 1, 8. Look at that, it did work. 18, as well as the diameter washers a spacer 18 by 1mm thick. So I'll just draw a simple rectangle that's aligned to the tangent. Done. We're just drawing a simple rectangle that's just 18 by 1mm by 18. Done. Delete that. In the real drawing, you just say spacing washer 1mm thick and give dimensions, even if you went that far. So these are your various component drawings. Let's just dimension these now.